Hey everyone, welcome back to Brudders Art Club. I'm Mr. Derek, illustrator of Brudders books, and today we get to draw a unicorn. Hey, I hope you guys are excited to follow along with me today. This is what my drawing looks like at the very end. I used a pencil to draw with, and then I finished it off with color with using my color pencils. But remember, you guys can use whatever you have at home. Are you guys excited to draw with me today? All right, well, let's get started. All right, so our first step to draw the body of our unicorn, because that's where we're going to start, just on the body area. I'm always going to start in the middle of my page here, and the first shape I'm thinking of is very similar to a smile. It's going to be the underbelly of our unicorn. So take your pencils or whatever drawing materials you have, and we're going to start in the middle of the page, and I'm going to do an arch shape that looks very similar to a smile. Just like that. And then I'm going to continue curving this around and start to form out our body of our unicorn. So a nice little circle shape that's continuing, going around like that. And then I'm going to just curve back over, not as much as this curve, but this can be the back of the unicorn. So we're going to have that come to about right here. So we don't need to go all the way, because we're going to leave a little bit of room for the neck. I want to go ahead and add in the unicorn's head. So from down here, I want to start working on the chin. So I want the unicorn to actually look like it's looking up at something. So we're going to tilt our chin a little bit of an angle. So it's just a little bit of a curve, curving up. You guys do that. And then we're going to continue curving around as we start to build out the nose. And then curve back in just a little bit. This is just part of the nose. And then to finish the face, we're going to continue just going up. Again, I still have just like a little bit of a curve. We're going to go up and over. And I'm going to go over as far as this line had stopped. So if I take an imaginary line and I go all the way up here, make a little mark, I then know how far I need to go over. So again, we're just going to do another little arch here. And then I'm going to draw in a little bit of an ear right here in the corner. So I'm going to add just a little triangle shape that goes up and around for our ear. And then from our ear down, we're going to just finish our head, just going straight down to the back. All right, we got it. We got a nice, good shape here. We got the head going. We got the body shape. I want to go ahead and put in the eyes. I always want to see the eyes first. It really gives out the personality of our unicorn. So for the eyes, I'm going to come up in this middle space here. And once I find the middle, I'm going to move over just a little bit to the left. I'm going to add in the pupil. So I'm going to draw a nice size pupil here. And then I'm going to color that in for a nice dark pupil. And then to finish the eye, I'm actually going to add a circle outline that goes around it. So I'm going to start underneath, and I'm going to do my best to go up and around like a circle into our pupil. There we go. And then I'm going to add one more pupil, a little bit smaller, but I'm going to have it actually against our face line right here. So make it look like we can almost see the other eye. And we can just do a thin little pupil right up against that line there. You can see that? Yeah, I like that. And then we got to add in some eyebrows. So the eyebrows, when you draw eyes, the eyebrows are always going to be right above the eyes. And whatever shape this is that you made, you just repeat that shape right above it. So since we have a circle shape, we're going to repeat that same curve shape right above. And then I'm going to add that same curve shape going over here. And then let's go ahead and add in a little nostril. We'll just do a little circle shape. And then let's give our unicorn a good smile. So I'm going to start right here, come in and give it a nice little curve at the end. A nice smile. So she's really smiling at something that she's looking at that we can draw on later. So for the legs, we're going to start right below the chin. I'm gonna start right here against this line, and I'm gonna draw out the legs that kind of curve in this direction. And I'm not gonna go as far as the chin. I'm gonna stay kind of right underneath that. And then I'm gonna come down just a little bit and make that same shape curving up to our last line, like this. And then just curve that end to make it look like a round leg. Awesome. And then I'm going to add another little curve just on the inside and then color that in just to make it look like its little feet. And then now I'm going to do the front leg. So this one's going to be a little bit different. Same shape, but we're going to actually have this line start back here on the other side of our body line. So I'm going to do a nice curve shape to come all the way out to about as far as this one, right? And then I'm going to start back here, and I'm going to do the same curve shape. And then you guessed it, we're going to just curve just like our letter, just curve like the other foot. And then we're going to match the same little feet. So we're going to just do a nice little curve shape at the end and then just color that in. And then the line that you have here that you went over, just go ahead and take your eraser if you have one, and you can erase that out. And now it looks like our leg is in the front, and then that leg's in the back. So we're going to repeat that both on this side, but we're going to flip that curve around. So instead of it curving like this, like a rainbow, I'm going to curve out the other direction. So I'm going to start on our front leg first. I'm going to do this nice curve shape down here. And I'm going to try to match the same length. So again, same shape right next to it as it's curving. And then we're going to curve the end like we did the other ones. And then again, yeah, just another little curve here. And then we're going to just shade that in for the feet. And then we can go ahead and erase that line. And then just the last leg to do. So just as we did this one, we're going to just start right at the line. We'll give a nice little curve shape coming out. And I'm only going to go as far as this one. So I'm not going to make it too long because it's supposed to be on the other side of the unicorn. And then do the same shape curving out. And then finish with a nice curve at the end. And then shade it in. All right, you guys, we're doing a great job. We were almost done with our unicorn. We can really start to see it like it's moving, jumping maybe from cloud to cloud or jumping in midair after something. So I need now just to put in the hair of our unicorn, and we're going to start at the top. So real quick, we're already going to use this line right here for the bangs of our unicorn. So from this corner, I'm just going to continue this line and have it curve off the forehead here. You see that? Just a nice little curve shape. And then I'm going to curve up just a little bit. Can you guys do that? And then continue that curve going back behind the ear. So we're going to curve our shape and start to move it back right behind the ear. And we're going to skip the ear. And then continue our curve down to our back right here. So it's a nice continued shape. And then I want to continue this kind of rolling on the side of her body. So we're going to just curve the other direction and then stop there. And then I am going to just start right a little bit below our ear, like the hair's curling around her neck. And I want you guys to do a nice curve shape, starting to curve out like this. And then we're going to just attach it to the edge of our hair wherever we stopped. So mine's going to stop right there. So now it looks like our hair is going over and around and to the side. And then whatever lines you have here from the body, we're just going to erase those on the inside of the hair. Isn't that cool? And then I'm going to add a couple little extra details as well to the bangs. So just maybe little lines that kind of come up from her hairline. And then I want to go ahead and add in the tail. So the tail is going to be nice and big. So from this end here, I want you guys to do a nice curve shape going up and around, almost like a half circle shape. And then I want you guys to curve it the other direction. Maybe not as big, a little bit smaller. So I have a nice big shape curving around into a little one. And then we're going to come back to the beginning here and do another curve shape, just a little bit smaller. Not as big as this one, but a little bit smaller. And then from here, I want you guys to curve out and try to connect to this line here where you stopped. So I am going to curve out and I start to curve back in. I'm going to just keep curving that in until I reach the point of my tail. So I got a nice big fluffy tail. Is that cool? Great job, you guys. And we're missing the most important part, the magical horn at the top. Let's go ahead and put that on now. So this is exciting. So right on the middle of her hair, we're going to add just a little curve shape for her horn. And then I'm going to curve up like a triangle shape. And you can make yours as long or as big or as tiny as you like. This is about the size I'm going to do mine. I'm going to curve back down. And then whatever area like the hair here that I came over, I'm just going to erase that away. And lastly, I am just going to add a couple little swirl shapes, kind of swirling up to the top. All right, guys, we did it. We finished our unicorn. This came out really great. But guess what? What do we get to do next? You're right, we get to color. My favorite part. But first, I want to add in some extra little details in there because my unicorn is jumping towards something. So my imagination is already thinking of maybe jumping off a cloud and chasing a shooting star. So I'm going to put that in here in my drawing. But remember, this is your drawing, so you guys can come up with whatever you like. So we're going to go ahead and fast forward this part, but remember to pause the video and take time to color and finish your drawing. Yes, we did it, guys. We finished drawing and coloring our unicorn. This came out great. I love how colorful it came out, too. I especially love the unicorn jumping over a rainbow, chasing after a shooting star. Now remember, you guys can pause the video right now and match my same coloring, or you can color it any way you guys like. I'm really excited to see what you guys come up with your drawings. Thank you guys again for watching. I had a lot of fun drawing this unicorn with you today. And my favorite part, coloring it. So hope you guys enjoyed following along with me. And I'll see you guys on the next video. See you later.